ATC Cleaning Supplies was founded in 2007 and located in Swindon with the aim of becoming the largest distributor of commercial cleaning products to the janitorial industry. Our cleaning and janitorial products are considered the highest quality on the market from brand leaders such as Truvox, Prochem and Clover. We will ship nationwide to ensure 100% satisfaction with both our customers and commercial contractors alike. If you are local to Swindon, why not call and collect? Simply place your order by telephoning 01793 481 416. We will have it ready for you within just 30 minutes. Call, collect, save. We will be happy to talk to you personally about any of our 1,500 products and recommend the best products so that your business provides the best possible service.